Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a custom tactic on the web app. So first of all, we're going to need to go into squads, active squad and tactics. So in here you can see the 5 tactics that you can change in game on the D-pad. So let's click on attacking for this one, edit positioning, and I want Bernardo Silva to be playing cam. And that's as easy as it is. So if we press save and then go back out of it and then just double check that it has saved, formation, edit positioning, and you can see when I go in game and choose attacking on the D-pad, Bernardo Silva will be playing attacking midfielder and Artur will go to right wing. Now if you want to change the formation altogether, because maybe you don't want Artur on the right wing, you can do that in here. So we only have one winger in our team. We might not want to have them playing up front, so we could do something like this and have Bernardo playing striker. This is also perfectly fine. This will get applied as soon as you choose attacking. You'll change your formation and all your players will run to the right positions. I hope this helped you and thank you for watching.